Good morning everyone. Welcome to Srini Wonders.
Sequence of glasses. Now I have taken food colors. I have taken food powder. You can also take food colors. Now I have taken tissues. Okay. See, I am folding the tissues like this. Okay, like this. 4 tissues you need. Okay. Now I am pouring water. Now I have taken in this glass water, in this glass no water, in this glass water, in this glass no water. Like that you should take a sequence. Okay. Now I will wear food color. See, everything colors is changing. Obviously the color will change. Wow, I like these colors. I mix up all the colors. Now everything in a sequence we need to give. Colors, how fastly they are traveling. Oh. This much fast I never expected. See how they are traveling? Wow, these colors are traveling so fast and so beautifully. How it will be if they mix together?
This glass mixed to this glass. So see what is the color? See, everything was mixed. After 3.5 hours or 4 hours, if we will see how beautiful this was. See, the water is transforming. So this is water transformation. Okay.
Hello, I am back. See, after 24 hours, how the color is traveling. See, the empty glasses are full filled with water, not fully. See, halfly. In this water are there. See how they are traveling. Color travel also we could tell. And see, if this color and this color mix, we are getting this color. See how different colors we have got in the empty glasses. See, in all the glasses, the water are equal. See? Color water are fully equal. See, from this color and this color, we are getting a Coke color. See, again from green color and red color, we are getting this color. This also a type of Coke, I think. I don't know clearly. From this color and this color, we are getting this color. It's like orange juice. See how from tissue paper the water are traveling. See, first we have taken 4 colors only. Now we have got 7 colors like Vibjion in rainbow. Okay, see how it came. This experiment I like so much. If you could also do in your home very easily, but food colors you need to have. Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye.